The materials you're gonna need for this project, super easy. You need one board to make the entire project. It's a 6-foot tall board, and it is a 1x6. Super easy to find at any hardware store. After you've downloaded your free set of plans from my website, the very first sheet you wanna go to is actually sheet 7. On sheet 7, it'll tell you how to take your huge 6-foot board and cut it down into 3 sections. These cuts are gonna be made on the miter saw. Check it out. If this is your first time measuring to make a cut on the miter saw, be sure and mark the exact location of your cut with a pencil. Then you're gonna use this tool. This is called a square, and the correct way to use a square is by putting this surface tight against the edge of your board, and then looking for your tick mark, and then transferring that information across. Because I measured from this side of the board across, I'm gonna put an X here. That X is gonna be cut by my saw. It tells me which direction to put the blade on. Check it out in this next clip. A second cut on your 6-foot board. Again, same technique. Make sure that this surface is tight, not angled either way, and that you transfer the line all the way across. Put your X to the far side of your measurement. All right, so I have moved over to the miter saw, and this is where I'm gonna make what I'm calling my rough cuts. Now remember, you're supposed to be looking at page 7 on my plans. One of the things that it tells you how to correctly label all of your parts and how to name them so that you don't lose anything throughout this process. So be sure to check that out. Next, I'm gonna show you how to make the cuts the correct way so they end up the right size. All right, so this is a front view of our miter saw here at school. Be sure that you know how to safely use this before you make a cut. I make my students pass a safety test. As I bring my piece through, you can see that I have a line with an X on it. I wanna make sure that when I bring my blade down, the side of the blade comes right to the edge of this line and will go over the top of the X. If I put the blade on the other side, I will end up with a piece that's too short. Check it out. All right, here it is at another angle. As I bring the blade down, you're gonna see that the blade comes right to the side of the line. This is the exact spot that you wanna make your cut. After you've made that first cut, just flip your board around, line that up again, make your second cut. After you've completed both of these, you should have one short piece that's labeled and has your name on it, and a long piece. That's it for this section. Well, that's it for part 1. Be sure to turn in for my next video, part 2, where I'm gonna show you how to cut the front and how to cut the back, where to place the hole and how big to make it. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers at this point, or at least when I'm recording this video I am. And if you like woodworking plans, be sure to check out my website. Link below, it is www.timothylemoine.com. Thanks for watching, have a great day.